Hey girly, Pandora here with another video. So we're going to do Velma's look today. We're going to do a little extra since it's going to be Halloween. But first we gotta clip these bangs back because this hair is a little silky and it gets in the way. So I'm just clipping those back before we get started. Like, I'm having trouble here, obviously, because that's how ew, can I not talk? Silky she is. Just so you guys know, I did do my brows off camera and everything. I gotta show off my little Scooby-Doo shirt. Munchies run. If you get it, you get it. Just saying. Right now, we're gonna spray our face with the Maven Beauty setting spray. It has rose water in it because, of course, period. And as you know, my little dog, Miss Betty Page, she just had to make her debut because she knows what I'm filming and she just always has to be in a video some kind of way. So we're going to get into the eyes now. We're going to start using this primer that I got from my previous video from Maven Beauty. It is the color Alpaca and a eyeshadow primer. And as we're starting this, I'm just saying, just trust the process, okay? Like, just trust the process. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but it's gonna come out. Yeah, you can see my shock right there because I'm like, ooh. Now we're going to get to the Yasmin palette. We're going to use the color Zen right here, the darkest brown that they have in this palette. We're going to just put it in the crease area. Yeah. And now we're going to go into the Maven eyeshadow palette, the medium blend. We're going to use the fourth darkest color in that palette at the bottom. It's more of like a red. And we're going to blend it in with the color Zen just to kind of warm it up and make it a little bit more brighter. Like I said, you guys just trust the process. We're using the second lightest shade on the lid. Because like I said, like Velma is like a natural like beauty, and we're just going to amplify a little bit, make it a little bit extra for the holidays, because why not? Now the next color we're going to go in with the inner color, goodness, was Crown. Crown, the color is called Crown. Like, geez, how can I not talk? We're just going to do a little cleanup. Like, this stuff is so stubborn. Next, we're just applying some eyeliners. I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner. Next, I am just concealing my face with a concealer I got from my local mall. And yes, I did cake it on. Using my favorite Smith & Colt foundation. I'm pretty stocked up on it before they turn it to, like, I guess a nail polish company. Like, I don't know what's going on with that. But the color is 460 Warm. Like, that's my favorite foundation, and they just decided to leave. Now we're bronzing my face with this old Morphe palette. We're using two blushes from Maven Beauty. The colors are Reina and Crush. I want to make it more of like a pop on the face since we are doing like a natural-ish but glam look for Velma. And I want to have like rosy red but bright cheeks. We're adding some highlighter in the color Drift Out. Gotta have some shine. We're using the Makeup Revolution, you know, Happy Time spray. And these eyelashes are not the eyelashes I'm going to use for Halloween. I forgot to get a second pair for the video, but they're going to be more of a fluffier version of the that lash that I have on. I'm using this red from Maven Beauty Come On Fashion Nova. It's called a Maven Red, and of course Velma would need a red lip. Like, what? Like, look at that. Scrumptious. And that's the finished look. I hope you like this little extra glam Miss Velma look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Happy Halloween. Let me know what you're doing because I'm having fun. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.